Namaskar. The question is how to increase the circulation of the scalp so it increases the hair growth and decreases the hair fall. So now first we understand how the circulation affects the hair follicle. Small, very tiny vessels, arterioles and capillaries are connected to individual hair follicles, means hair roots, which forms the hair. Hair roots or hair follicle are the factory who forms the hair or hair filament. So that supplies all the nutrients and oxygen. Oxygen is used to produce the energy for the synthesis of hair. That's how, in short, the mechanism of forming the hair. If this circulation is stopped or reduced, you can understand the supply of the nutrients, all protein, vitamins, other chemicals, minerals, and oxygen is reduced. If the supply of the nutrients is reduced to a factory, then certainly the production will be hampered. So this is the simple answer of reduced circulation will reduce the important nutrient supply or raw material to the hair follicle, means a hair forming factory, so the production will be affected. So the simple answer is this. So if circulation can be improved, I am saying not improved, rather a circulation, anything which reduces the circulation is going to affect. So normal circulation will cause the normal hair growth. So what are the diseases like atherosclerosis, hypertension, diabetes, smoking and tobacco? These are the very important things which directly hampers and directly narrows down those blood vessels, reducing the microcirculation. Many times I tell, you smoke around 10 or 12 cigarettes in the night, and the morning you see on your pillow there was a lot of hair. That's how it affects. So these, anything, any disease, tobacco and toxins which reduces your circulation, affects the blood vessel volume, blood vessel diameter, will hamper the supply, thereby it will reduce. So how to increase? Number three, good lifestyle, active lifestyle you live, good diet you must take, and if your diseases, contact your physician and control of diabetes and hypertension, other cardiac diseases like that. Then can we do it by massage? Answer is yes and no. When yes, if you are doing loving massage, gentle massage, like how the mother massage her son or daughter gently, that will increase the circulation. That may affect your hair growth, means by preventing the negative factor. But don't do heavy massage like we call it the champi done by some pahalwan or bodybuilder. No, they may directly injure your hair fiber and they may create the trauma. So a gentle massage can certainly improve your circulation to the scalp, thereby they may affect your hair growth. But don't think this can bring dead hair to life. Understand? Clear? So regular healthy life, exercise, good nutrients, no tobacco, no smoking, and gentle loving massage over the scalp will increase your circulation to the scalp, thereby will increase your hair growth. Thank you very much.